Hi guys, Nick here, and I got a other Blu-ray and DVD, a Marvel unboxing review, mostly unboxing stuff. Have I got the Marvels, which I got in my most recent hunting video for the movie here. We got Monica Rambeau, Toronto, Miss Marvel, and Carol Danvers has Captain Marvel on the front of the cover, along with Goose the Cat and Nick Fury. And you can see this is a combination of Miss Marvel's symbol and Captain Marvel's symbol in the title, with mostly it kind of looks like Monica's symbol in the A, and Miss Marvel's S as the S for the Marvels. And this is the most recent movie of the MCU. And here's a back of the case. We got Goose right here with her babies, her floating babies. Here's what Goose's species is. Here's which they talked about in the first Captain Marvel movie. And here we got different scenes from the movie. It also comes with some bonus features in here. And now let's take the subcover off so it didn't get busted off the case, and you can take a look at the Blu-ray and DVD that comes inside the case. It got a little bit it opened, and by having the plastic off. And here we go. Now the plastic is off the case, and now it's open and this up. Oh, it was missed a little bit with the hair. Yeah, missed a small piece. We say just the Blu-ray here, and this is what the Blu-ray disc looks like for all the Marvels. This is the title of the movie with Marvel Studios right on top of the MA of Marvels. And that would be it for today's unboxing of the Marvels. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to press the red subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when new videos are uploaded to the channel. And more videos will be coming out soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.